What's going on, guys? It's your boy Owen. I'm back again with another video. Now, I've been wanting to make this video for a while. Hopefully you guys like the new angle here. Today's video will be in the top 6 reasons why you're losing money right now. And if you guys do make it to the end, I'm gonna add an extra gem in there. With that being said, let's get right into the video. You want every single trade to be a home run. Now, let me explain the psychology behind this. I don't blame you, okay? I mean, I just started trading like a year and a half ago. By no means I'm a professional, but I've been through a lot of things that I don't want most of you guys to go through. I know that there's a lot of advice that I can give you, but there's a lot of things that you have to go through yourself, okay? So the number one thing is you want every trade to be a home run. Now, I understand it. I mean, we're getting into the business to make money. Understand this, trading is not a race, it's a marathon, okay? And slow and steady wins a race. I can guarantee you that. I mean, there's multiple times where I've lost over $10,000 in a single trade, guys. A single trade, not a day, a single trade, because I wanted to hit a home run. I'm trying to make 100K in a single trade. Meanwhile, I don't have the skills or the capital to do that yet, okay? Now, that doesn't mean you can't get lucky and hit a home run once or twice. You could, but the problem is if you're looking for a home run on every trade, you're most likely gonna end up at a loss. Number 2, you're not patient enough. Now, what does that mean? I'm sure you probably heard this from a million different people, educators, traders, a bunch of different people tell you the same thing. What this means is this: you do not want to wait to acquire the skills necessary to reach a certain milestone. If that's 100 a day, 200 a day, 300 a day, 1,000 a day. Most people go from trying to make 100 a day to skipping the whole entire thing and trying to make 1,000 a day. I will recommend this, guys. Start at $50 a day, $100 a day. Once making $100 a day, or let's say 10% of your account, 5% of your account, 2% of your account, once you can do that every day. So once I get used to making 100, I'm gonna go used to make 200. Once I get used to 200, I'm gonna go to 300. I'm gonna do that for a month, 2 months. And I know that I can comfortably handle a certain amount of money and make a certain amount of money per day. I'm going to go to the next milestone, which could be 500,000, right? But do not skip steps. Now, that being said, trading is not all about the money, right? Trading is how well you can perform in the market, and then the money will follow. The better you get, the more money you make. So focus on that. Do not focus on the money. Number 3, you don't have a trading plan. Oh my God, I've heard this a million times, blah, blah, blah. I know you guys have heard this a million times, but listen, if you show up without a trading plan, you most likely have an unsuccessful day in trading. When you show up with a plan, you already know what happens. I'm not trying to tell you to do something. I'm trying to tell you that you can go back on your history, look at what you've done in the past, and every time you have a trading plan and you execute the trading plan, it works. You make money. So why don't you do that more often, okay? Most people, they have a trading plan today, tomorrow, they get so cocky, they don't need a trading plan because they're so good at trading, they end up losing money. So remember to do your trading plan before every night, the morning before you start trading, so that you are ready for that trading day. Reason number 4, you stop showing up. What does that mean? Look, there's a lot of things that could happen. I know that, you could blow your account, you could lose a certain amount of money. As long as you keep showing up to the market, you will have that day, you will have that breakthrough that pretty much takes all of your losses away. It could happen, right? Your only job is to keep showing up, okay? Do not get killed by the market. Do not try to fucking go for a home run and then blow your whole account in one day, because now you're gonna have a month, 2 months, 3 months where you can't even trade. So the number one thing that you have to focus on is to be able to show up every day. How do you do that? Position size stays small, risk management stays on top, okay? You have to make sure that you keep showing up. Reason number 5, you have no risk management. I know this is another one that you guys probably heard a million times. I've done this a million times. I mean, I've had a $25,000 account and I go in and trade with $20,000. I know what it feels like. It's not easy because you have all this money and you're not showing up to not make money, right? So how do you stay true to yourself and understand that you can't really afford a $20,000 trade because your account is $20,000? Listen, you have to have this in mind. Trading is a process, and as long as you keep showing up, you will have that big breakthrough, okay? I've had students who've made 1,000% on a trade. That's, with $1,000, that's 10 grand. So you don't really need 100K to make 10 grand. You just have to trade, you just have to have the right trade to make a lot of money. So make sure that you keep showing up. You understand that trading is a process, wins the race. Number 6, and I probably think that this is the top one, is you have the wrong expectations. I know what it's like. I mean, that's how I got into trading myself. You know, I see people on Instagram, I see people on Twitter, I see people posting screenshots, you know, they're making 100K, 200K in a day. So I'm like, oh my God, what's going on? Like, how do they do that? So I go ahead and I fund my account and I'm expecting to make 100, 200K in a single day. And it doesn't work like that. Okay, so go in with the right expectations. Know how much money or how much percentage you can make with a certain amount of money. Once you focus on how good you can get at trading, the money will follow. But remember, I'm not trying to make $1 million with $1,000 account in one day. It just won't work. But if you compound that $1,000, eventually you will get to that $1 million mark. So go in with the right expectations. And for those of you that stayed all the way to the end, I just want to give you guys a round of applause. Thank you. Listen, I appreciate you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up. And like I said, I'm going to give you guys a gem. The last one is over trading. Now, I don't know how many times I've been through this where I make $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, and at the end of the week, I end up giving everything back. Everything. Just because I kept over trading and I kept trading something where I didn't really, when there was really no trades, okay? So my number one tip for this is make sure that every time you're going to trade, you have something in front of you that you are waiting for, okay? You're not just buying and selling just to buy and sell. You're actually waiting for certain things to happen for you to trade. That's what's helped me stop over trading. Hopefully this video was able to help you guys. If it did, please let me know down in the comment section. And again, I'm gonna keep rolling these out. And as long as you guys keep supporting, I will keep putting out videos. Without that being said, thank you guys, and till the next one.